Hey Irene, how are you?
How are you doing?
Right, I'm good. I'm really excited. You're going to talk to me about computers and we're going to demystify some of the myths surrounding computers. So firstly, Irene, can you tell me what exactly you do here at AWS?
I started with Amazon as an intern, and then they hired me back as a full-time role as the CEO. We basically are engineers in the data center operations team.
So I've heard that the computing components are the guts of the computer. Is that right?
Yeah, so comparing it to the human body, basically the hardware will be what you can see is our skin, our bones, muscles. And then the software would be your blood, your veins, your heart, your organs, basically, yeah.
And is it true that there are four main parts of a computer?
Yeah, so essentially we have four types. So we have the input, the storage, the processor, and the output. The input would be anything that feeds data to the computer, so keyboard, your mouse. The processor would be the brain, and storage will be temporary or permanently. Temporary is RAM, and then the output will be your speakers, your screen, anything that displays information you need.
It's so funny, when you've put it like this, it's like these are all parts, components of a computer that I know and everyone knows, but we've got like this sort of real technical terms to go with it, which is like important to know as well. So is it true that computer basically equals hardware and software?
Yeah, so basically the hardware would be the physical parts of the computer that you can see. So it will be the actual screen, the mouse, the keyboard again, and the software would be the actual apps that you run your computer.
Is one more important than the other?
Not essentially. I say they coexist together. Without hardware and software together, it would be like a car without driver. Because essentially, the hardware, what does, if you move your mouse and you click on an app, then the software is the one that opens the app.
So do laptops and phones have the same four basic components as a computer?
So essentially they do, but just in smaller scale. So the input would be you touching or swiping your screen. The processor would be CPU, like the same as a computer. Storage can be SD card or your RAM. And then the output would be the actual screen displaying information.
Irene, thank you so much for your time and demystifying some of the myths around computers for me. I'm going to continue my tour around now, so thank you.
Thank you for your time.